Where are we going?
Baguio.
We're going to Baguio. Are you excited? First, we need to put your seatbelt on. Okay. Hello, Chunky. We're now on the way to Baguio. Baguio. Ate Meadow. Comfy ka? Meron kaming DIY curtain dito. DIY curtain. Para hindi hot, no? Lahat ng kagamitan. Ayan na. Sa likod. You wanna vlog? Okay. What are you gonna say?
Do you remember me, guys?
Hello. You playing? Play siya. Where do you want to put the cart? Here. Okay. There you go. Ay, tapos na. Say golf. Say golf. Can you say golf? You say golf?
Yung sabi mo kaya kami dyan.
Can you say golf? At si ate ay tulog na siya. Tulog. Si Elastic Man ay tulog. River! So you're not sleepy? Can you say Can you say golf? Golf. Golf.
Golf ka.
Golf. Ikaw. Golf ka daw?
Golf.
Golf. Golf. The golf. Say mamu.
Tama mo si Mamo.
Babu.
Yabang
Ikaw ba rito? Kain eh. 85%.
Babu.
Ay wow, meron pala siyang camera dito.
Mas gusto ko yan. Kesa sa pa. River, river. River, river. River. It's Tonton. Hindi ba ano yung ano kayo? Yung may free Lord? Wow.
Yung may free na ano,
Oo.
kapag pera yung kinuha mo, may libre ka.
Ano malate? Malit na.
Ano yung, ano niya naman, free large? Ano po? Jumbo.
Oh.
Anong flavor yun? Ito namin kang Meadow, ang Pongka River.
Plain.
Plain.
Plain lang po.
Pwede ba plain? O plain.
Yes, Chang. Ah, you want the fan? Still want the fan? Huh? Okay, Cafe Amazon. Daddy's favorite. Kaya lang tulog siya. So, kami lang. Kasi tulog siya. Yay!
Kuya Chad.
Ano kaya? Hindi mo mag-coffee yata eh. O coffee ba siya?
Kuya Chad! Kuya Chad! Driver, Kuya Chad.
Ton. Tara na. Where's the bird? Hi, but where's Tonton? Where's Tonton?
Where's Mommy? Okay.
Who's this though? I think that's River's a video. Do you see yourself? Yeah. Okay, let's go outside. I'll push natin to. Yay! We're outside. We're just gonna wait for our order. And River's here outside. Yay! We still have 2 hours to go on the road. You have to sleep na. Yeah, you want to vlog. You have to be careful. Kay Tita Nia to. Hi! Why? Look, that's River. Hi, River! Sit down tayo, sit down. Like that. See? Yeah! Now we can talk. Hello, everyone! Oh, say hello. Hello, everyone! Where's your tongue daw? Show your tongue. Bleh. Okay na? Bah, so quick pa na. Okay. Hi, everyone.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
I want sabak.
It's so nice, right? Hello.
Mamu. Mamu.
Kaya.
Inang.
Ninang daw. Maganda na lang tayo.
Ayan yung view.
By the roads. Ay, enough na. Long press siya. Magiging video.
Sa Baguio na tayo.
Ay! Yuyu mo na yung masikang kingkirwal. Teta mo may patuntod ya. Uy!
Mami,
School guys, sleeping na.
Kailangan kong bumili ng jacket.
Baguio! We're here sa Baguio na! You are so cute! Hindi tinatanggal, oh. Naman mo ko eh. This is the house! Oh, my kitchen. May kitchen, may dining table, may mini sala.
meadow.
May meadow. Oh, 3 yung rooms. Merong mini sala. Merong river. Merong river. Na super, super foggy. May river na foggy. Are you happy? Opo. Are you happy daw siya? Opo. Let's take this off na. Remove na natin. Bye! You are so foggy. May mga bulondong. Nandito din. Ayan na. Oh. Na para bang pagod na pagod sa biyahe. Oh. Alright. Let's start the karaoke. Oh, kakain muna. Okay, preparing. Si Mamu. Andyan sa kitchen. Si Ate Bedo, takbo ng takbo! May bow! Nakuha mo yung slippers niya. Yay! For river slippers!
Guys.
Parang gusto ko din ng salmon. Steak.
Halo natin yung potato natin. Yan yung bakbayeds.
So there's salmon. Salmon. Magluluto ng salmon. Ang vlog ka doon. Vlog. Vlog.
Wait, susutin ko lang. Lamig! Lamig kasi dito eh. Silap.
Ang tanong ko, bakit ang cute mo?
Kaayos natin yung body mo na ano.
Ba't sobrang cute mo?
Ulitin mo yung buhok na.
Ang ginagawa mo dyan? What you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing there? Oh, ayan ang bahay. Ito po ang aming munting bahay. In fairness sa maging ceiling na rin. Oh. May effort yun. Nanlakan yan din, kaya.
Gutom.
Ah, paint. Pinaint na yung brush.
Buhatin niyang
Ganyan.
import babo, pero yung kusina na
Ayun lang.
the lowest standard.
Jamaica.
Something amazing treasure.
Something
Treasure
amazing
daw.
from river? What is that amazing thing?
Oh, show mo kay Lolo Dad. Treasure daw yan.
Special song?
Treasure.
Oh, yeah. It's a special song.
Pang massage yata yan, Meadow eh. Pang massage. Ganyan, no? Sa likod. Ganon. Gagawin gua siya. Okay.
Find something else.
Marami na akong pinapatapon sa kanya.
Kaya pa niya sasawa ito.
Oo. Kasi gusto niya naglalakad din.
What is it? Did you find there?
Kaya, ay,
Oh, dami ka.
Stones! Marami stones!
Wait.
Marami stones!
Oops!
Woo! So, totoo ang balita. Malamig nga. Malamig nga. Hi, Meadow!
uy,
Malamig! Ay, nako. Naging nocturnal dito si Lolo Dad.
Parang
Para hindi boring. Uy, ano, kaya mo pa? Sisi ko.
please.
Tinatawanan tayo niyan. Are you ready? Session Road.
Yun lang, lubat ako.
Yun lang. Wait.
Way to Session Road.
Wow, city lights.
City light.
City lights.
Kanya kaya yung binas ka ako yan.
SM.
Session Road. Meadow. Oh, tamang date lang. Pangkaya, tapeluto yung Eggy Allison.
Lalo ka tayo lalo.
Ganito, Session Road yun. Walking and walking sa Baguio. Walking and walking.
Galing Session Road, going to Burnham Park.
Burning the calories.
River! Burnham? Sige, go.
All the way up there. So many. Slippers, jacket. So many. Tawagan mo nga. Nakita ko.
Lalo ko sa clinic club lang may tayo mas pwede.
Say hi, ate.
Yun lang ba si Kunin natin?
Thank you, boss.
Oh, yung parola.
Saka lang.
Bye.
Punit. Wala na lang din.
Light, no?
Chill ride sa Burnham. It's currently 12 degrees.
Chill ride na may konting yun, oh, banggaan.
First gear. Race.
Mag-predict mo na ba yung style of driving ko niya?
Kaskaser. Kaskaser.
Chill ride.
Hi! Sir Hayden! Hello! Hi! Almost done na.
Put me on the YouTube. Okay. I want to upload. Buti na lang, guys.
Just finished sa bike. Ate. Like it?
Dalawang thunders, ayaw na tumayo. Sige na, we leave you na here. We leave you na here.
Ay, kipagod si ate.
Ay, so tired. Alam na na. Ma! Yun pala. There's a capybara. Of course, strawberry. Ayan. Oh, ayan ang night market. So, apparently, you need to wait. Anong oras ba magsa-start?
Isa pa! Break bar, oo.
Shawarma break.
Water 25, 50 yung malaki.
Naantok na.
So here's my findings. I also have this.
Sa night market.
From the night market, I also have this. It's so cute. Actually,
Ganyan.
actually po, maganda din po siya.
It's pink.
Actually, it's pink because it's my favorite.
It's perfect for rainy season.
Oh yeah, I can go
Pag mag-go sa school tapos it's raining, pwede siya.
Honey, can you hold it?
Okay.
So, also my brother have one. And also I have this jacket. This is for rainy days. This is for baggy days.
Oh, bakit?
Maganda nga siya.
Oh, bakit?
Also,
bath time. You want bath time?
uy, di ba sa'yo to?
Oh, yeah.
Ngayon is for river. Yan. Saan yung for river? Fit natin kay river.
And,
The last one is for river. Yay! River! River! Oh, river. Ayun. Ay, wala. There's your hand.
I can see the inside one. And the inside. Mommy, I need to wear it.
Ate, ganda rin sa'yo.
Kailangan lang balabad.
Bakit?
Siyempre. Galing night market. Marunong.
Mapapamana ba yan?
Ang suot. Also, I have the rainy jacket.
Let's get her done.
Can we tanggal this?
Palagay na lang sa dirty.
Daddy, I want to asan isa?
Ako.
I want to try it. Also.
Oh, sakto.
This is so cute talaga. Daddy. I'm just going to call my daddy. Daddy, I need to remove this.
Finish?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye to the vlog.
No, wait, I need to hold it.